walking down from Bussy Hill. I'm in the Arboretum, Arnold Arboretum, Boston, Mass. Walking down from Bussy Hill. To the left of me is a hospital. Over on the parkway there gets you to West Roxbury. Straight ahead is pretty much JP. We're gonna bend to the right here, and there's a lot more, but eventually get you down towards Forest Hills. That's probably your best bet to find this place and get here, is to get to Forest Hills. I mean, if you're close in it, within biking range, in my own opinion, that's your best bet. Just hop on the bike, but get on one of the buses of the Orange Line to Forest Hills. Now this is the first week or so of April. It's supposed to get warmer end of this coming week. So this thing is about to pop to life. I can feel it. There's a few colors are popping out, but there's going to be a ton of flowers and just vegetation that's going to really spring up here within couple weeks, I would say. It feels like it's gonna pop soon.